I'm Gabe Compton with MacKay Manufacturing in Spokane, Washington. We are a precision machine shop. We work a lot with the aerospace and the medical companies. We do stuff that flies into outer space. We do stuff for aircraft that fly every day. Precision and accuracy at MacKay Manufacturing is key. Our customers come to us because we pride ourselves on the ability to do things that other shops can't. In 2010, MacKay Manufacturing began using ESPRIT programming due to the nature of the parts and the complexity of the machines that we had purchased. One of the benefits of having things pre-programmed is that we're able to now have setup sheets made for each of the parts. We're able to have our tools preset from our tool room. And that way all we have to do at the machine is load one of ESPRIT's programs, post it, and go. One of the things that we like about ESPRIT as well is its ease of use. It makes it very simple to train guys on the floor for minor edits. We have anywhere between 400 and 600 work orders in process at any given time. Anywhere from a one-off prototype part where we R&D it here in-house for a customer, all the way up to a few thousand parts. We have currently 26 CNC lathes, including 10 Swiss screw machines, and from 2-axis to 11-axis CNC lathes. MacKay Manufacturing purchased its first Tsugami lathe back in 1998. We chose Tsugami because of their reliability, their accuracy, and their proven durability. The pairing of ESPRIT and Tsugami have been beneficial to MacKay Manufacturing. The Tsugami lathes have really allowed us to keep up with our customer demands, while ESPRIT programs post cleaner. So one of the benefits of having ESPRIT in the shop is it allows us more efficiency. We get a good clean post that we know is going to work the first time through. The training with ESPRIT has been fantastic. Now we have programs, setup sheets, and tools all ready to go down to the machine, verified and ready to cut chips. We make a small L-shaped part used in endoscopic surgeries. Running the part complete has allowed us to eliminate multiple ops, taken time out of the part, and made the part certainly more accurate. We now are able to manufacture the part in under 3 minutes complete. ESPRIT has allowed us really at the machine to have more runtime, to have more parts per hour, and again, shorten our lead times to our customers. MacKay's future looks bright. We have the best talent, the best machines, and the best programming software available to meet any of our customers' demands.